Hey my TJI friends, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. As always, today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. These are some new items that I have not yet seen at my Dollar Tree, or some items that they brought back out that they haven't had in a very long time. So I'm super excited to show you guys. And before we get into today's video, I would love to welcome all of my new subscribers. If you have not already, please hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and like this video for so many more videos to go. I am super excited for everything that's coming up, and let's get into today's video. Okay guys, so the first item I want to show you is not a organizational item, but I absolutely love these. I found them in the party section, and it's tissue paper. And like, what do you need with tissue paper? But there are so many DIYs that you can do with tissue paper, and I am working on a DIY for you guys that I will be showing you that involves tissue paper. But I saw some really pretty new releases at my local Dollar Tree. Some of your Dollar Trees may already have this print, but I was super excited to see this floral print with like the light pink. You can see like the floral there, as well as this one with the floral, and it has like this pretty pattern there, the pinks. So I was really excited about this print. There are some DIYs I want to work on like this weekend, and I am excited about this. So stay tuned for those DIYs coming up next. So the next item I want to show you is this contact paper that I thought was like really pretty. Actually, my Dollar Tree had this for a while. Sometimes they run out of it, but this is not a new item at mine. But I figured I was going to use this for a DIY that I want to work on. There's something in my house that my kids own, and I want to redo it. So I thought this would be really cute. This contact paper would be really cute to restore it with. And this is the print. It's gray and white, and it definitely goes with like the theme of our decor. And yeah, so it is shelf and drawer liner, or you can use it as a contact paper. Easy to apply and remove, that's very important. And yeah, so I'm excited. Okay, so the next item I want to show you is this white frame. It's 5 by 7. Rarely my Dollar Tree gets in any white frames. They usually have gold, black, or like this silver wash kind of frame. So when I saw this white one, I definitely had to grab it. They do have these in their new Mother's Day section. There were some other cute 8 by 10 frames. They weren't white, but they were the rustic ones, and I wish I would have got them. I thought they would be cute for our bedroom. So I might go back next week or so to get the rustic ones, but I'm super excited that they had the white frames, and I'm definitely going to be using this in my daughter's room for a little project. So yeah, I was happy to see this. Okay, so the next item, it's not a new item, and it's not really a restocked item, because every time I go to Dollar Tree, they're always there. Are the 6-pack hangers. I don't know why I never thought to get my hangers from Dollar Tree. I usually go to get my children's hangers from like Target, because it's like 18 for $2.99. But when I think about it, it's the same thing at Dollar Tree. It'll be 18 for $3. So I'm definitely going to start going back to Dollar Tree to get them because they do have a more variety of colors too. They have the pink, they have light blue, they have white, and they had gray. So I think it was more of a variety, and they were more in stock than Target. Sometimes they sell out really quickly. So I was super excited that they had these hangers. So I'll definitely be purchasing these from my local Dollar Tree. So speaking of our children's room, I found these cute collapsing storage bins for Kennan's room. If some of you already know, his room is majority black and white, and I decided to add some bright colors to the black and white. And I was super excited when I saw these at Dollar Tree. They have the bright colors, which was exactly what I'm looking for, especially like this teal blue, and they are fairly large. They are 11 inches by 10 and a half. So this is a really great size to fit his cube organizer. And they had this like red orange color that I thought was cute as well. I saw purple, I saw pink. I didn't see like any black or white or anything because I would have got those to go with this. But yeah, so check out your local Dollar Tree for those, because I think these are a really great deal, because I've seen them in other stores for like $3 each, and $1 for the same size is a great deal. So yeah, I was excited. Okay, so I was super excited when I saw this next item, because they always sell out when a Dollar Tree gets them in. I've seen these at other stores starting at $5.99, and I was never paying that for one, because I knew I would need a few of them. But it's the large containers. These are the large containers. This is 114 fluid ounces. So yeah, they usually have like the little small ones, but they've never had like this larger size. So I was really excited about that for you know, it has the lid for like our cereals and stuff like that. If you know, already know, I'm trying to organize and make our home a little more cohesive, so I won't have like cereal boxes everywhere, and I'm doing a lot of labeling and stuff. So this was exciting to see. My Dollar Tree only had 2 left, so I purchased the last 2. However, I hope to get some more restocked, because there are some other things I want to put inside of these. But I really thought these were a great deal, and I love the fact that they use a gray top. I have the smaller ones from Dollar Tree, and the tops were purple, and I did not like it, so I took the tops off. And it's just, I'm using them for my kids' snacks without the lid, because the purple did not match what I was trying to do. So I'm glad that they kept it neutral with the larger ones. So if your Dollar Tree has these, definitely buy them, because it's definitely worth it. They're much more at other places. Okay, next up we have an item that is not really new, but it's restocked in my Dollar Tree. We never keep these in, so I never got the chance to purchase them. It's these white containers, and as you can see, I brought quite a few of them for organizing. I've been wanting these for so long for our pantry. I have the clear bins in there now, but for like the larger items, I want to use the larger white containers, so I can put like the labels on these containers. And it's definitely the look I was going for, so I was super excited when I saw that they were here. And this is what they look like. So yeah, so when I finish that linen closet organization, and then I'm going to do I have more for our laundry room, so I'll be doing that as well to show you guys how we use these. And so if your Dollar Tree has these, buy them, because they never last in mine. Like, I'm pretty sure if I go back next week, the ones that are still there are gonna be gone. So yeah. Okay, so next I want to show you these pills. I thought these were super cute, and you get three for $4. If you saw my bathroom haul, I purchased one for like $2. I'm just like, I could have got three for $1 at Dollar Tree, and they are really, really cute. And I don't know where I'm gonna put these, but I'm gonna probably put one in my our master bathroom, because our master bathroom, I'm gonna decorate it just like my guest bathroom. So I'm definitely gonna probably put one of the pills in there for something, and maybe in the laundry room or somewhere. I'll find somewhere to use these pills. But I thought these were really, really cute and an amazing price. 3 for $1. That's a steal. Okay, so my last organizational item for this particular haul is this. It's called the mix and serve container. I'm actually going to be putting my carpet powder in here, and when I need to vacuum, our floors are like we don't have carpet in our home, but we do have like an area rug. So this, I'm gonna put like our carpet powder in here and then sprinkle it on our area rug, so that when I'm vacuuming, it give it like a nice refreshing smell. But I thought this was cute because I don't, like I said, I don't like a lot of those, I don't like a lot of packaging everywhere. So then I'm trying to keep everything cohesive, so I'm going to keep this in the laundry room. And yeah, so yeah, it's called the mix and serve container, and you can find these by like the kitchen utensils and everything. And this was my first time seeing this. I'm pretty sure they've had it for a while, but I was never looking for it. But yeah, then it has, if you want to use it for your kitchen, they have like the little, all the measuring, like the cups and the ounces on the sides. So there's so many things you can use this for. So great deal. Go to Dollar Tree. And last but not least, I purchased these ice pop makers, and I thought these were really cute, and I was super excited that they brought them back out. They usually bring these out in the summer, spring or summertime, and I've been looking for them for a while because there's some cute little popsicles I want to make for my kids, a little more healthier. We're gonna do some of those videos, like my family videos, on our family channel, so make sure you go over to Living Leonard. We will be back in full action doing our fun family items. I just wanted to keep that channel separately from this channel, so that's why we did a family channel as opposed to putting everything on this channel, okay? But yeah, I was super excited for this. My daughter loves Greek yogurt and like fruit, so we was gonna do like some Greek yogurt and fruit popsicles, so they don't feel like they are missing out on getting the things that are not so good for them. So yeah, I'm really excited about doing like little cute stuff for the kids while we're at home and social distancing and all that. So yeah, they're gonna enjoy this. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.